Tene kirala kye mbadde njagala obbagamba kiri nti video erina kubeera mu luzungu, supported language luzungu, okitegeera. So make your video in English language. Yeah man. So appeal katugiteekeko tugirabe. Let us watch the appeal so that you can try it on your channel and also you get monetized. So the appeal video is the next. Stay tuned. This is the name of my channel right now, but before I used to call it Movie Package Uganda. My channel URL here down below, as you can see, that is my channel URL. So my channel was rejected for monetization, but I think it is a mistake, because all the videos on this channel I got them from YouTube. I cannot deny that I am not using other people's content. I am, but I try my level best to add commentary, or to add a voiceover. And sit down here. All these videos are made by me, made by me, as you can see, are recorded by me. I add commentary or a voiceover on them using the application that I'm going to show you in the upcoming, all the videos here. And these Charlie Chaplin movies, I try my level best to add commentary and to put in a funny spin on this content, so that my audience, Ugandans, can understand what is going on in the video. So I add commentary or a voiceover on each and every video you are seeing here. The application that I use to do my wrestling games, this one, PSP, man, PPSSP Gold, that application. So I open it like this, and when you enter this, I downloaded this game, man, I download this game. So this is the game. I do what, and here I can show you how I create those characters in this game. I can show you how I do create the characters, like this one. I will show you how I create this character. This is how I create them. I can do what, change the word. So as you can see, so that is how I create them. I try to give them the muscles, the what, all the things as you can see on the screen. That's how I create these characters. So I am going to show you how I make the movies, how I add a voiceover to the movies, Charlie Chaplin movies. So for the movies, for the Charlie Chaplin movies, I use this application called Video Maker. So I use that Video Maker in order for me to edit and write the things needed, all the like subscribe, do what. So this is so like this, So I add a voiceover thereafter. This is how I edit. I can say comedy skits. I put it here, and thereafter, and this is how I add the voice. Add the voiceover like this. Let me say this. I add it like this. So, and I try to make it to match with the video that I am representing here. So if I don't use this application, I use this application called AZ Screen Recorder. AZ Screen Recorder, to record my voice into the video at the same time, For me to add echoes, I just turn that button on and I add echoes. Stevo Ekasubi. So that's how I create all of my videos that you are seeing on this channel, Package TV Official. That's how I record them, yeah, and how I create them. Yeah, man. I will be very happy if you accept me again into the YPP program. Thank you. Peace out. So namaze oweereza apiiru yange nga bamaze ogitunulamu aba YouTube bampeereza message eno gye ngenda obbalaga ku screen mu email yange nti your YouTube partner program appeal was successful. Ngayo mugiraba. Hey Package TV Official, we are happy to share that your YouTube partner program appeal was successful and your channel can now monetize again. So awunabadde ate kati nkomyewo kati YouTube yange so babadde bagigudde. So bwe obukakafu obulaga nti nno baakoze eki banzizeemu ndowooza mulaba olunaku lwabadde lwajjo. It was yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday on 4th June at 11:27 p.m. at night. So nimbeera nga nkomyewo ku YouTube partner program. So kankusabire nti naawe bakugule waera bakuggala. Let me pray that they can reopen you or they can re-expect you can remonetize your channel, so like me. So thank you for watching Package TV Official. Stevo Ekasubi. Una step jembadde ndeseeyo oba okyalaba wobeera ng'olina thumbnail oba obufaananyi bubeera ku video yo, the photos that the person who watches your video first see or first watches obwo obufaananyi oba siggwe wabukola kusaba budeleting bujjeeko nga tonaba kubeera nga okolaki ngo reapplyinga obeera nga oli applyinga naye era obeera oweereza appeal tobaako nakyo okyusa wadde n'ekimu obeera waweereza reapplication ate ne bakugaana tobaako na kirala ky'okyusa ku channel yo kalibe linnya lya channel yo kakibeere kifaananyi ekiri ku video zo kubanga wonna kikola bajja kugamba video zo sizizo zoyogerako sizizo okitegeera. So tokyusa kifaananyi, tokyusa title ya video zo gireke oba nfugireke, tokyusa title ya video, tobaako nakyo editinga obeera oweereza appeal yadde n'okudeletinga video wadde n'emu. Do not delete any video, and the another thing is do not change the title of your videos, and also do not delete the thumbnails if you have already reapplied and now they want you to send the appeal. Do not delete the thumbnails on your channel if you have already reapplied and they are saying that you can send your appeal to show that they have made a mistake. So don't delete any photo or the thumbnails on your video. Do not. So that was the bonus tip if you have stayed up to this long. Yeah. So bye bye, stay blessed, I love you.